Welcome to Autos Time, your ultimate destination for the latest updates, reviews, and deep insights into the most exciting vehicles shaping the future of the automotive world. Today, we are diving into something truly extraordinary, a model that blends modern technology, rugged capability, and futuristic styling in a way that sets it apart from everything else on the road. This is the KGM Torex 2026, a machine designed to redefine what we expect from a modern SUV and a symbol of how far innovation can take us. If you are ready to discover a vehicle that merges performance, technology, and design into one thrilling package, then stay with us because this ride is going to be unforgettable. The KGM Torex 2026 comes with a bold and muscular presence that immediately captures attention. From the very first glance, you can tell this isn't just another SUV. The design language reflects strength and elegance in equal measure. The front fascia is dominated by a sharp grille with integrated LED lighting that gives the vehicle an almost robotic expression, futuristic yet fierce. Slim laser headlights add to its aggressive appeal, while the sculpted hood lines remind you of raw power waiting to be unleashed. The sides are sleek yet muscular, with flared wheel arches housing massive alloy wheels that not only enhance its sporty stance, but also improve grip and stability. At the rear, dynamic LED taillights stretch across the width of the vehicle, giving it a modern identity that makes the Torex stand out in any crowd. Step inside, and the Torex 2026 transforms into a world of luxury and advanced technology. The interior is crafted with a perfect balance of comfort and futuristic design. Premium leather seats with ergonomic support invite both driver and passengers to experience long journeys without fatigue. Ambient lighting flows across the cabin, customizable to suit different moods, while the panoramic sunroof opens up the sky to bring in natural light, making the interior feel spacious and connected with the world outside. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a massive high-resolution infotainment system seamlessly connected with AI-driven controls. Voice commands and gesture recognition mean that interacting with the Torex is as futuristic as its design. A fully digital driver's cluster offers customizable displays, from navigation maps to performance stats, ensuring the driver always has the right information at the right time. But the Torex 2026 is not just about looks and luxury, it's built for performance and versatility. Under the hood, it offers multiple powertrain options designed to cater to different driving preferences. The standard variant comes with a turbocharged hybrid engine that delivers both efficiency and powerful torque, making city driving smooth and highway cruising exhilarating. For those who crave more, the fully electric variant promises instant acceleration, whisper-quiet operation, and a driving range that rivals the best in the industry. Advanced battery management systems ensure quick charging, while regenerative braking recycles energy back into the system, maximizing efficiency. This makes the Torex 2026 not only powerful, but also eco-friendly, a step forward into the sustainable future of mobility. When it comes to handling, the Torex has been engineered to adapt to every kind of road and terrain. Its adaptive suspension system provides comfort in urban settings and toughness when tackling rough off-road conditions. The intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures maximum grip, distributing power efficiently across all wheels, making it reliable in rain, snow, or dirt trails. With multiple drive modes, from eco to sport to off-road, the driver has the freedom to customize the Torex's performance based on the journey ahead. This versatility is what makes it stand out, whether you're commuting through the city, cruising on highways, or exploring wild terrains. Safety is another area where the Torex 2026 raises the bar. It is equipped with the most advanced driver assistance systems available today. Autonomous emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras make sure every drive is as safe as possible. The AI-assisted driving feature not only monitors traffic, but can also predict potential hazards ahead, giving drivers additional layers of security. For families, this means peace of mind knowing the Torex is always watching out for them. One of the highlights of the Torex is its smart connectivity. This SUV is more than just a mode of transport. It's a digital companion. With full integration of smartphones, cloud-based navigation, and AI-driven personal assistance, it makes driving a connected experience. Over-the-air updates ensure that the system is always improving, adding new features and keeping the vehicle up to date without requiring a visit to the dealership. This kind of innovation shows how KGM is thinking beyond just cars, creating an ecosystem where vehicles evolve with time, just like smartphones. Now, let's talk about space and practicality, because that's where the Torex surprises many. The cabin is designed to maximize space for passengers and cargo. With flexible seating configurations, fold-flat options, and hidden storage compartments, it adapts to different lifestyles, whether it's a family trip, an adventurous road journey, or simply the daily grind. The rear seats offer ample legroom, and the cargo area is expansive enough to handle everything from sports gear to weekend shopping hauls. In short, the Torex combines luxury with utility, a rare combination in its class. Another area where the Torex shines is sustainability. Beyond offering hybrid and electric options, KGM has focused on using eco-friendly materials inside the cabin. Recycled fabrics, responsibly sourced leathers, and even natural fiber trims reduce its environmental footprint. This attention to detail shows that the Torex isn't just built for today, it's designed for the future of our planet. Of course, no vehicle is complete without customization, and the Torex 2026 offers plenty of options. From exterior colors, inspired by nature and urban life, to interior trims ranging from sporty carbon fiber to classic wood finishes, every owner can make the Torex truly their own. Advanced tech packages, premium sound systems, and performance add-ons mean that customers can tailor this SUV to fit their lifestyle, whether it's for luxury, adventure, or performance. The KGM Torex 2026 is more than just another SUV on the market. It represents the vision of what a modern vehicle should be: powerful yet efficient, luxurious yet practical, futuristic yet accessible. It brings together everything drivers want and everything the future demands. In a world where vehicles are evolving beyond machines into smart companions, the Torex stands as a leader, showing us what's possible when innovation meets ambition. So, if you're looking for a vehicle that can turn heads with its design, pamper you with its comfort, thrill you with its performance, and protect you with its intelligence, the KGM Torex 2026 is undoubtedly one to watch. It's not just a car, it's an experience, a statement, and a glimpse into the next chapter of automotive evolution. Thank you for joining us here at Auto's Time, where we bring you closer to the most exciting machines of today and tomorrow. If you enjoyed exploring the KGM Torex 2026 with us, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Auto's Time for more in-depth reviews and automotive insights. The future is here, and the Torex is proof that driving has never been more thrilling. Stay tuned, because this is just the beginning of what's to come in the world of cars. Would you like me to also create a title, description, hashtags, and keywords SEO optimized for this video so it's ready to upload to your channel?